The underlying trend in Nike stock is a bearish one. It is up 15.22%. Obviously, you know why it is up. It printed an intraday high of 74.19. So yeah, you probably know why. So the company reported fiscal fourth quarter earnings that beat analyst estimates but fell sharply from a year earlier. So while sales fell 12% to $11.1 billion, the figure topped expectations of $10.7 billion. So according to the new CEO, Elliot Hill, while their financial results are in line with their expectations, they are not where they want them to be. So he has started that the company expects to improve as a result of the progress they have been making under their new turnaround strategy. So the company said it anticipates first quarter revenue to decline in the mid single digits year over year, a stark improvement from the fourth quarter's sales decline, and a better than the 7% drop the analysts had been expecting. Okay, let's see now what there's more. There's more. Anything special? Okay, sales jumped more than 15% after the Suspenseware Jan laid out a plan to tackle tariff-related costs such as price increases in the U.S. and reducing Chinese footwear imports, while it recorded better than expected fiscal Q4 results. Okay, so we know all of those already. Yeah, so this is its daily chart. The underlying trend is bearish. The 200-day moving average sloping bearishly lower. The extrapolation says that we will continue to see higher prices up till Tuesday, the 1st of July. And after that, we may continue to see further declines. No guarantee that that will be the case. In terms of projections, we don't have any upper projection here. We have downward projections. We have sorry, 58, 57.96, 58.96, and 60.59. Okay, so let's see what is going on with the momentum indicators. Yeah, okay, all of them are in trend mode. Apart from the first derivative of its 10-day moving average, it is negative in decline, indicating that it may not be able to hold this trend that it has run up. Okay, let's just quickly have a look at the 4-hour chart and see. On the 4-hour chart, strength is expected to remain in place up till the close of this session. Then after that, decline somewhat into the pre-market session of Monday the 30th, and then in that session as well, it's expected that it's going to resume the uptrend, and yeah, up till Tuesday the 8th of July, strength is expected to remain in place. So this is, I think, this is a contrast to the what we have on the daily chart. So, but remember, this is a 4-hour chart. It prints every 4 hours, and the daily chart prints every at the close of every session. So it is possible, hypothetically, that you can continue to see high prices on the 4-hour chart every 4 hours, but by the time the market closes, you see lower prices. So theoretically, that's possible. So, but it's good to combine these two charts. They give you the 4-hour chart. Sometimes can refine what you're looking at on the daily chart, and indeed also the yeah, or even probably give you better clarity on what you're seeing on the daily chart, and vice versa as well too. So here we have what do we have? Do we have upper projections? We have downward projections, 65.79. Okay. So we what we could do is okay. Let's have a look at the price pressure momentums. They're all in trend mode. Okay. The derivative of the the 4 hour chart, sorry, of the 21 period moving average is also negative. The second derivative indicating that it may not be able to hold much of the gains. Okay, so we can, because we're looking to see if we can find the prospect of higher prices, we can also apply the market greed. It will also give us an idea of what are the potentials the Fibonacci projections haven't printed out. Because if the algos don't print the projections, then we may not see them as well. And indeed, we can also, do the projections as well. But we just want to rely. We want to, reference machine learning outcomes. So right now we have it's trading at 71.72. So this is the market grid. So 71, it's right in its 71.7. So it's right in its support zone. Okay, so it's the indication is that lower prices could still print, going all the way down to 68.33 or even lower than that. But at the same time, you could still reference these. These are upper projections as well. $72, 74.92, 76.32, 77.73, 78.99. So these are some of the potentials there for the stock. Okay, let's come down and have a look at the daily chart and see what we have. Yeah, on the daily chart, yes, it's here it's trading outside of its prior market grid. Okay, so indicating that maybe that's why we have, amongst other things, we have a distributive contraction expected to play out from Monday the 30th, no, from Tuesday the 1st of July. So it's trading all of these now supports, since it's trading at a premium to all of them. So I think our best bet will be the projection, the values in the market in the 4 hour chart. Indeed, also there are also upper projections here that are not in play at the moment. As of the 17th of June, we had 74.05, and I think we saw something like that on the 4 hour chart. So yeah, okay, we could also try and have a look at some of the um, single minute charts. Sometimes they can provide us with some projections that normally we wouldn't, maybe too shy to project. Yeah, 74 we have here. That's what we have. $74. So we've seen that already. Let's look at the 3 minute chart. What do we have here? We have down projections. First of all, 68.68, 69.24, 70.13. Upper projections and 4.05, and 4.89, and 5.41. They're just quite like the ones we have already seen already. So especially on the market grid of the 4 hour chart. Let's look at the 5 minute chart. So we have 70.13, 69.24, 68.68. So nothing really there as such. Okay. See what you make of Nike stock. Things are looking. It seems they are trying to get the company back into the position that investors would like it to be in. You know. Okay, so I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.